Start. Apart from the three accused whose presence at the place of occurrence was not accepted, the trial court also doubted the presence of two out of the three eyewitnesses. Full stop. The trial court further held that even precaution witnesses, the only remaining eyewitnesses, had mixed up truth with falsehood, but his testimony was not liable to be discarded wholly since he had himself received injury in the same occurrence. Full stop. In regard to the injury, the trial court came to a truly amazing conclusion. Full stop. The injury on the hand of Ramesh was certainly in existence, and it was also proved by the medical evidence. Full stop. The trial court resolved the contradiction by fastening the injury to Ramesh on to the appellant, even though that was not the case of precaution. Full stop. The appellant was thus held guilt also of causing the knife injury to Ramesh and came to be convicted under section 324 in addition to section 302 of the penal code. Under section 324 he was sentenced to rigorous imprisonment for 1 year. Full stop. He was also convicted under section 25 of the Arms Act by a separate judgment of the trial court dated February 2, 1998 in Sessions Case 26 of 1993 and sentenced to the period of imprisonment already undergone as under trial. Full stop. Against the two judgments of the trial court, three appeals were filed in the High Court. Full stop. The High Court, by the judgment and order coming under appeal, dismissed all the three appeals and the revision, and thus upheld the judgments of the trial court in all aspects. Full stop. The senior advocate appearing for the appellant assailed the High Court and the trial court judgments and contended that the appellant's conviction for the offense of murder was not sustainable both in law and on facts. Full stop. He submitted that there were at least four circumstances that falsified and completely demolished and precaution case. Full stop. First, there was a patent contradiction between the precaution case and the motive assigned by it to the accused for committing the crime. Full stop. Secondly, it was undeniable that injury were fabricated both on the person or the deceased and Ramesh, the only eyewitnesses whose evidence was accepted by the High Court. Full stop. According to the precaution case, there was a ferocious enmity between the persons of accused party and complainant party. Full stop.